The gig economy dream is dead. We were told freelancing was freedom. In 2026, it's a high-speed chase to the bottom. If you sell time on Upwork or Fiverr, you aren't a business owner. Shit, you're a placeholder for an AI agent that costs 5 cents. The market no longer pays for output. It pays for efficiency. Successful earners in 2026 aren't doing the work. They are system architects. They don't write code, they design workflows. They don't manage projects, they orchestrate automation. To survive this structural shift, stop being the engine and start being the pilot. Use Make.com to build autonomous income streams that function without you. Use Perplexity to find market gaps before the world sees them. In the integration era, owning a skill is a liability. Owning the workflow is the only moat that can't be automated. The blueprint for earning in dollars has changed. If you're ready to build systems that work while you sleep, subscribe. NextGen Wealth Insights is the map. I'll see you in the next one.